And the last thing I want to show you is how to set up your professional business email address using your new domain. So let's go back to the Hostinger Website Builder and then click on Website Builder and then Website Manager. Then let's click on Main Menu and here click on Emails. Then where it says Set up free email service, click on Setup. Then choose your domain right here, click on Confirm. And here we're going to start with the free plan. So let's click Select. Then choose your professional email address and set a password. I'm going to set it to contact@strivefitnesscoaching.net and click on Create. Then we can either set up our email using the browser or we can use one of the recommended apps. Personally, I recommend to use Gmail. And once you select your app and click on mobile or desktop, down here you will see the instructions you need to set up your new email account using this app. But I'm going to quickly show you how to access it through your browser. So let's switch back to browser and then click on Webmail. Now we have to enter our password we have set before and click Login. Now this will take us to our email inbox.